What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're going to do the redemption randoms for both breaks. We're just going to do it all in one video. So I will go live in the first break, and we'll do the timestamp in the second one here. Live at 6:04. 6:04. We got the first break here and the second break here. For the second break, it's not a big deal. Only the top spot is going to win the wild card. That was the only random redemption we have. For the first break, we got, oh, sorry, not pages. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people will win. These are the order, or this is the order of what we pulled the cards in. And we're going to go 3 times, guys. So this is break number 1. Good luck. 3 times, top 7. 1, 2, 3. Nick, spot 1, all the way to Keith, spot 7. I'll line that up for you guys. So Nick, you're going to get retro 9. Kyle, wild card. Adam, retro 8. Marty, wild card. Keith, you get retro rookie redemption number 1. Very nice. Patrick Rubel, you're going to get the short print number 4. And Keith, retro number 7. And then for the wild card in the second break, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Marty with the wild card win. Go done. Then up to this one. Done. 6:06. 6:06. Congrats, guys.